Let's learn 20 interesting facts about python snakes.
Python snakes are non-venomous, meaning they won't bite to cause harm.
Pythons come from tropical and subtropical areas of Africa, Asia, and Australia.
Pythons have very sharp teeth and a powerful jaw for grabbing their prey.
Pythons are very good swimmers and can stay underwater for up to 30 minutes.
Pythons have a very long lifespan, living up to 30 years in captivity.
The biggest species of python snake is the reticulated python, which can grow up to 30 feet in length. Pythons are carnivores, meaning they eat meat, such as small mammals, birds, and other reptiles.
Pythons use their tongues to smell and locate their prey.
Pythons have a wide variety of colors and patterns that help them blend into their environment.
Pythons use their bodies to coil around their prey and constrict them until they can no longer breathe.
Pythons lay eggs, usually up to 50 at a time.
Pythons have a special organ in their mouths called the Jacobson's organ that helps them sense their prey.
Pythons have no external ears, but they can still hear by feeling vibrations in the ground.
Pythons have heat-sensing pits on their upper and lower lips, which help them find warm-blooded prey. Female pythons build nests and stay with their eggs until they hatch.
Pythons can go months without eating, as they can digest a large meal and go a long time before needing to eat again. Pythons are very shy animals and will usually try to flee when they sense danger.
Pythons are considered an endangered species in some parts of the world due to habitat loss and hunting.
Pythons are considered an endangered species in some parts of the world due to habitat loss and hunting.
Pythons are very important in the food chain, as they help control the populations of small mammals and other animals.
Pythons are amazing animals, and it's important to respect them and help protect them in their natural habitats.
If you like this video, please share with your friends, and don't forget to click the subscribe button.